How to choose the perfect commercial storefront window. The right type of windows serve as a welcoming sign that your business cares about its customers and invites them to come inside. Old, broken and outdated ones could deter people from conducting business with your company. When it's time to upgrade your windows or install them on a new building, pay attention to these important strategies for choosing the perfect storefront windows for your commercial property. Think about safety and security. Those huge panes of glass are often an easy entry point for burglars. Two types of glass offer more protection. Tempered panes go through a special heat or chemical treatment to make them stronger than annealed glass. The benefit of the heat treatment is that the broken pieces will be larger chunks rather than small, sharp ones. Laminated panes are another option. With this type, a special film is placed between two panels. It can take extremely strong forces to break this type of glass. It is often preferred for daycares and other businesses where injury prevention is a concern. Aim for higher energy efficiency. Large, expansive windows that add interest to your building have the downside of allowing a large amount of heat transfer to occur through the panes. Look for low-E panes, which have a special coating that minimizes how much infrared and ultraviolet light makes its way indoors. You can also choose double or triple-paned windows to further improve energy efficiency. Consider the need for privacy. Some companies thrive with expansive, clear windows that allow customers to see the goods inside. Financial institutions, medical offices and spas may want to look for panes with special tinting, making it harder for people to see inside. Mirrored panels are another option that can create a sleek look for modern buildings. Match the local aesthetics. You may also need to ensure that your storefront matches the style of the surrounding buildings. This is especially important in historical downtown areas. Work with a local contractor to choose frames and other style elements that will be an asset. Commercial windows are a major investment that you make in your property. Before you make your final decision, be sure to inquire about the warranty policy. Choosing a contractor that guarantees their work is just as important as finding the right style and glass type for the windows. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.